Look at it, man. This is it, man. This is how we do it. Every day we get to it. You see it? Wash me, I go wash now. Throw in the soap. Hold it. Never lock back my back there now. You see it? Show now how to do it. Anything drop, you can take you. Yeah. Come back there, son. That's how we do it.
That is it.
Yes, that's it. White marina first in the water, yeah? That is it. You show me what time it is now. When we get the marina there. In the water, you see that? Watch the code now. Everybody asks every day, how me wash? Me I go show now me wash. That means you have to help me get one washing machine. That's when I pressure myself. Please and thanks. Watch it code now. Come up near. You see right down paper? This is it now. See it? This is the washing brush. Watch it code. Yes sir. Please and thanks whosoever out there want to help me with a washing machine. Please and thanks. Anybody with a washing machine can help with a washing machine. Please and thanks, yeah. Like I see, washing brushes clean and pretty when we're done here. White like chalk. No go. And no go. That's how we do it. Chop it in a 2 different parts. You go and place a catchy khaki part. Chop them up and 2 here do with them, yeah man. That is it man, real cold man.